Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is what the packaging looks like. We have Twilight New Moon. We have all of the shades in the back. And then when we open, oh, it says, Bella, where the hell have you been, Loca?
Bella! Where the hell have you been, Loca?
And then, I swear I will never fail you again.
I swear I'll never fail you again.
You're sort of beautiful.
You're sort of beautiful.
Oh my god, there's like a bunch of little quotes on here. But this is so... And then when we open the palette, woo! Of course we have the infamous love triangle right on top. And then the color scheme. Now, the color scheme I was so excited about of this palette because it is so New Moon. Like, it is so New Moon. And it's so... It was done great. I think this one was done great. But I'm going to stop yapping and I'm going to create a look. I'm really gravitated towards... The golds always, like, look so good. And the copper... Like, this copper glitter right here is called Adrenaline. So good. I think I'm going to build the crease out and stuff and figure out what I want to do. So I'm going to take this, like, mid-size, like, fluffy brush. And I'm going to... I have just, like, powder on my lids, so that'll work. I'm going to dip into... I don't know what I want to do. I'm going to dip into Marry Me, which is, like, this, like, pukey, like... just neutral brown color. Like, it's not super exciting. And I'm just gonna throw that, like, in the crease. Honestly, the pukey brownness really does, like, come through. Like, I keep trying to look at this as, like, a mirror, and it's not a mirror.
Oh my god, I don't know what I want to do.
I'm gonna take this here. This is the Makeup by Ariel and Morphe collection. This is the A25, just like a domed fluffy brush. I'm gonna grab You're Sort of Beautiful, which is just this neutral brown color that I'm going to use to start sketching out my shape. So I'm gonna take that there, right on the edges, right? And then right on the inner. I'm gonna take this super skinny, like, pencil brush, and I'm going to go back into that You're Sort of Beautiful color and really kind of pack and blend this color a little bit more. I think I'm going to take that color and run it kind of underneath the lash line too while I'm here. I'm going to take the Makeup by Ariel and Morphe collection. This is the A18. Going back with You're So Beautiful. And I'm going to keep that really close to the lash line because I want to smoke it out with another color that I have in mind. I'm going to take this Makeup by Ariel A20 brush. This is like a flat, fluffy brush. And I'm going to grab Paper Cut, which is like this maroon kind of burgundy color right on the corner. Ooh, okay, so you can't see that. Love it. Love. Right down here. And I'm going to put that, ooh, immediate color payoff. I'm going to put that right on the outer edge and right in the inner as well. Those two colors on top of, those two colors really added like a lot of depth that I wanted. I'm going to go back in with that really fluffy brush with nothing on it and just sweep the edges of the color to give them a good blend. And then I'm going to take that same color and I want to kind of flick it out a little bit. Not like too much, but just out. I'm going to use my color switch real quick because I want to use this brush again. So I'm just going to swirl my brush into my color switch. I'm going to grab, I want to do the color Bloodsucker. This like metallic, oh, it looks like, well, it literally looks like blood. Like, I would say metallic red burgundy, and I'm going to run this underneath the lash line. Now, was that the move? I think, I feel like once I get mascara and like liner on, right now, I'm not super convinced. I love how my own actions that I did myself, I'm not happy with. Isn't that how that usually goes? It's there now. I really want to, I think that color Adrenaline is a glitter. It looks like it. So I'm going to, oh no, it's not. It's a shadow. Yeah, it's a nice shadow. Like, look at that. Ooh. Okay, is this a glitter? I feel like I can't tell what this is. I mean, it looks like it feels like a shimmer shade. It looks like a glitter. So do with that information what you will. Now we can go in and kind of perfect all the edges and stuff. Now there is a black in here, which is called Soul Reader. Ooh, and anytime there's a black in a palette, I have to use it. So I'm gonna take it on the Morphe Ariel A18, and I'm going to kind of smudge that on the lower edge of my lash line. Ooh, okay. And then connect it to the edge. I feel like I'm pretty happy here. I'm gonna do something every time I do, I don't feel like I ever do a like spotlight eye right, because I always want to do like an inner corner, and I know you're not like really supposed to, but I really want to. So I'm gonna take just like a really small flat brush, and I'm gonna dip into Mood Control, which looks like to be just like a white gold. I feel like it was gonna be like that Super Shock formula, but it's not. Just like a little bit. I'm gonna keep it tight. I'll keep it tight. Usually I do go like wild in my inner corner, but this time I'll keep it in my inner corner. I feel like this copper, this adrenaline color has like a lot of green in it, which was not what I was going for. So I think I'm gonna go for Face Punch, which is, it looks like a peach. I'm just gonna grab that like on a flat brush and kind of tap it. That helped a little bit. I think I made it more green. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna do a little bit of liner and mascara, and I will be right back. I finished up my makeup. I put on a lip. I put on this cute little lash from Ayani. Like this little like spiky little moment. I thought it was cute. I almost didn't put on lashes because I like the way it kind of looked with mascara, but I feel like it needed something. And then I put on a lip. I'm wearing like 4 different like lip products, and I can probably make a video on it, but that's not like super important right now. What is important is the palette. So I really do love this. Of course, I'm a Twilight stan. I was Team Jacob. This movie really showcased Jacob in an articulate way that I think a lot of us can relate to and or agree on. So it is my favorite movie. It is kind of where it solidified me as a stan, I think, because I loved the first movie and I watched the first movie over and over and over again, but this one really did it for me. So when I found out this collection was happening, I had to have my hands on it. And look at the material. Look at the material. I love. She's so pretty. All of these, I think I'll do swatches of these like on my TikTok or something, but really solid palette overall. If you're a fan, I definitely recommend you go out and buy it if you can. It is out in Ulta stores. It is on the Colourpop website. If you can get your hands on it, get your hands on it. There's also other products to it that I did not care about, and I just wanted the eyeshadow palette. So there is that. I did also buy the regular Twilight eyeshadow palette. So, I mean, let me know if you want me to do a video on this one. I'll definitely do it if you want it. If you don't want it, then I'll probably still make it. So that'll be that. But okay, well, here we go. This is the video. Let me know if y'all like it. If you don't like it, let me know. Whatever you want. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a big thumbs up. Tell me which Twilight movie you love. Leave a comment down below. Which one is your favorite? And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.